Naghahanap ka ba ng rent-to-own condo sa BGC? Kung around the area lamang ang work mo at nanghihinayang ka sa rental fees mo buwan-buwan, watch this video until the end. This is Uptown Arts Residence, located along 9th Avenue, Town Bonifacio, BGC, Taguig City. Malapit sa transport hub and subway station, kaya naman kung around the area lamang ang work mo or walking distance ay baka makonsider mo ito. Uptown Arts residents are now offering rent-to-own. At least 10% down payment lang, pwede ka nang makapag-move in. This is a sample studio unit. Semi-furnished na din ang unit, kaya kukonti na lamang ang idadagdag mong gamit dito. Pwede mo ding gamitin ito for your Airbnb business since malapit din tayo sa St. Luke's Medical Center at may subway station tayo papuntang NAIA. Malapit din lang sa mga prestigious schools at international offices. Total contract price of this unit starts at 18 million pesos. Only 10% down payment, makakapag-move in ka na. Comment down rent to own para masendan kita ng details or directly message me. Again, this is Jared Bagnayi and welcome to Buhay Ahente. Salam!